So bafethu ithe iqala i-episode yanamhlanje ephumile yakwaMaMkhize useason 2. We see uMaMkhize ehleli noSibahle bedingida indaba ye-relationship yakhe uSibahle with his father uSbu Mpisane. Well, this is what came to light ukuthi uSibahle is quite not happy with her father for how he has been MIA after the accident abanayo yemoto. uMaMkhize is trying by all means bafethu ukuthi azame ukuthi kube khona ubudlelwano obukhona between uSibahle nobaba wakhe, and not just uSibahle kuphela but ubudlelwano ozoba khona between uSbu and all of his kids abanazo, which is like 2 kids obviously, uSibahle noAndile. And ibhlungu lento ngoba uAndile ngendlela echaza ngayo, she just says ukuthi they had quite a good thing going on, benobaba wakhe, they were close. They built a relationship in a good way, but obviously as things went on, divorce. I think if we saw through the media with divorce yabo, I'm not quite sure about it, but it also showed in the Usbu was actually the one who was not trustworthy kumshado wakhe noMaMkhize. Okay, so that's what we see in the beginning of this episode. The name of the episode is Family Frustrations, right? Bafethu asigibele phezu kwayo sibone ukuthi okunye ikuphi okuvelile. Sanibona. Yimi bafethu Azadi. We are here to talk about season 2 or episode 2 waMaMkhize ophume namhlanje kumhla ka-21. Please don't forget to subscribe and like my page and press the bell button whenever I drop these videos khona uzokwazi ukuthola ama-notifications. The episode goes on iveze uTha benoThamiya behleli estadium bebuka abafana, and then uTha asinikeze a snippet of his life ukuthi how he has been a teacher for the past 25 years, how he is an MC for ama event akhona, how he is a brand ambassador for Royal AM as the team, and how he has all these other gigs now, just besides the fact ukuthi he is a friend with uMaMkhize, because most of us we thought ukuthi he's being paid for being uChomi, but the whole thing of ukuthi teacher, I knew about it. I think most of abantu baseThekwini who know uTha know ukuthi he is a professional teacher. Khona into ayikhuluma lapha noTha behleli benoThamiya, uthi hayibo yeThamiya isisu sabe sibesikhulu kangaka asazi, mhlawumbe khona into ayishoyo, khona into ayicibekayo asazi. For the most part mina engikwazi ngakho ukuthi banayo umntwana benoThamiya, right? Abasanda kumthola. I don't know if there's another one coming through. Just wait and see. And then we move forward to uMaMkhize eya stadium yohlangana no coaches to talk about the whole thing yabafana, because in this past couple of matches during the time show, they have not been doing very well. So Sean is asking coach, is there any way they can change the strategy? Should they get more players, younger players? Because she is also trying ideas because he's like the integral part of what is the direction of the future with the team, because he is mostly involved in terms of what plan, how are they going to get some players amasha, because he also wants to try out abantu abasha who are fresh and new. I understand a lot of I think he's a good strategy as Amayo Andile. The kid is smart, I'll give him that. So bazokhuluma leyo nto leyo just for a small bit babone ukuthi kwenzakalani, and then mayiqhubekela futhi episode phezu kwalokho bahambe ke manje uMaMkhize bahambe baye eThekwini, and then uAndile benomkakhe uThamiya bahlale behind, and then umfana uAndile lana ezenesu ukuthi ufuna ukwenzela uma wakhe i-surprise birthday party or a surprise party. I don't know what would be the occasion being celebrated. It's either it's her birthday, or they're just celebrating her as the grandmother of the kids, or just as the mother of the family. So they're discussing who are they going to be inviting, who's not going to be coming, how are they going to do this. They're just giving each other ideas if should they make the small dinner or should they have a huge party. And she's such a flamboyant and person. I don't know how they're gonna do about it, how they're gonna go around it. While she meets up with abantu because she's preparing for a launch yencwadi yakhe. So they are at City Hall in Durban and trying to see the venue, how are they gonna organize a sitting, because they're expecting quite a few VIP people. And one of those VIP people Silo uMisuzulu okaZelthini. Uyena ozobe khona lapho, and its sitting arrangement needs to be proper ngoba inkosi angeke vele ihlale neningi kukhona iarrangement ekumele ihlale ngayo. Okay, so bazodiscussa leyo nto leyo benoDuma kaNdlovu. In fact bengiqala ukubona uDuma kaNdlovu. Like Duma kaNdlovu is quite popular for writing amasoapie like Umuvango, quite recently esidlalayo kuMzansi Wethu uSibongile. So bafethu, I'm quite impressed. So we'll see as the episode eqhubeka, because I think manje ifocus throughout the season iyona lencwadi le, because on the first episode they actually mentioned it ukuthi she's going to be releasing the book. She has this already, so the launch is going to be awesome. It's going to be in Durban City Hall ukuzobe gcwele zonke igcukutshwane lapho to launch this book. So bafethu, that was the episode of today. Family Frustrations KwaMaMkhize season 2 episode 2. Ibimnandi. A whole lot of things came to light in terms of ifamily yakhe and her career as well. Nendaba yebhola. Okay, thank you so much for supporting me, guys. Please don't forget to subscribe and don't forget to press that like button and the bell button. My notifications whenever I drop my reviews to this channel. Bafethu asikhulumeni ningichazele nami ukuthi bakhona bengeja khona indaba zama life story, because izinto angizazi ukuthi kwenzakalani. Ningitshela kuma comments ukuthi no, ubani kwenzakalani, ubani kwenzakalani. Come on, let's interact. Thank you so much.